Hi, I'm Brandy. This is How Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Midnight Muses box for April 2020. Pardon my hands. I just realized there's some dirt under them and they're really dry, but I have been gardening all day. So, Alchemy of the Earth. Ooh, I think this is going to be super appropriate. Wormwood. I like that. Poison warning. Very nice. We've got this envelope. I love these. I keep these. Ooh, what is this? 6. I don't know if it's a tarot deck or an oracle deck. I can't see if it's the 6 of what. I don't know. We shall see. Interesting. We've got her card, a tea bag. We have a candle, absinthe. It smells like beeswax to me, but very cool. We've got a smoking. I mean, it's something in rosemary. Beautiful. I have a whole bunch of rosemary that I'm going to make smudge out of or smoke out of, from my dead growth from my plants last year. Wait. Absinthe uncrossing mist. It's got like, let's smell what this smells like. Ooh, it smells licoricey, which absinthe does. Cool. But like not like licorice root that I think of, but like, ooh, we got our little reverse. I can't smell what it is. Our reverse incense cones, meaning that they go down. Licorice and mint. So these cones have a little hole on the bottom, and the smoke goes down. I can't identify the scent though. What a beautiful box here. Oh wow, I was looking at these yesterday. Perfect timing. It's a Tree of Life pendant. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Love it. Okay. I'm coming back to you. Oh, my little vials. I love my little vials. So we got wormwood. We've got casting salts. They smell really good. And we have black salts. Don't smell like anything that I can smell. And got a pretty black bag here. Ooh. Look at this beauty. Very, very pretty. I love the patterns on it. See everything? Good. You can see everything. And then we have this pretty, pretty box. It looks like a triple moon. We've got like antlers and like a cat and a person. Very cool. Very cool. Very nice box. I love it. So let's read As we face changing times, it is imperative that we use and harness our magic effectively and for the most important issues in our lives right now. This month we focus on clearing/purifying ourselves and space, removing any blockages that may be holding us back, and drawing energy and magic from the earth's vast resources to keep us and our loved ones healthy, protected, and secure. Well, there's something up here I didn't notice before. The goddess of the month is Artemis, and the herb of the month is wormwood. Artemis is featured this month, the goddess of the forest, mistress of animals in the wild. This Greek goddess is a magician and shapeshifter who takes many forms. Her most common manifestation is a youthful female, usually accompanied by a stag and or a pack of hunting hounds. She may wear a horned headdress or a headdress ornamented with the crescent moon. Artemis also manifests as a mermaid or in the form of any animal, especially wolves, does, and bears. She is often shown carrying her bow and arrow or a torch, illuminating the darkness and blazing a path through the unknown with strength and courage. Artemis is associated with Moon Trinity of Selene, who rules in heaven, Artemis, who rules in earth, and Hecate, who rules in the underworld. She is associated with Beltane, which is celebrated May 1st. We also delve into the magic of wormwood. The plant is named after the goddess. It's called Artemisia absinthium. Wormwood is an excellent herb to use when working to enhance your psychic abilities. It assists with opening the third eye and heightening all psychic and intuitive skills. This plant also possesses a strong protective energy. Use wormwood in amulets, incense, or the smoke of a burning bundle to banish anger, reverse negativity, heighten psychic awareness. Oh, hold on, I lost my mind. And protect your home. Wormwood is a key ingredient and is used regularly in the creation of uncrossing oil and mist as well as other elixirs for protection. The term cross is often referred to and used in several traditions. This means simply the metaphysical condition where an individual or group of people is in a blocked state. Cross conditions can be caused by a variety of factors. This condition can be created by a group mindset or occasionally be self-created. People who are constantly pessimistic will undoubtedly build up a large amount of negative energy. Uncrossing is essentially removing negative energy and replacing it with positive energy. There are 3 basic steps to uncrossing. The first step is to identify the source of the negativity. The second is to perform an uncrossing ritual with intent and focus. And the final step in the uncrossing process deals with moving forward and refocusing your life. This work may take a relatively short amount of time or may take longer and be a more gradual process. The magical items in this month's box can be used in the order they are listed or used separately as you are called to do. Okay, and then she had lists out a ritual. An absinthe black flow incense cone. That's probably why I didn't recognize it. I don't work a lot with wormwood. So when it's burnt, it's for protection and cleansing. Rosemary bundle, which is this. So it's for cleansing and purifying. Black salt. You put a small amount in the 4 corners of your home to absorb toxic energy, and then it must be swept up and discarded away from your property to dispose of those absorbed energies. Cast a circle around you clockwise using the casting salts. The wormwood is used in spells for protection, overcoming obstacles, spell breaking, transformation, determination, divination, and psychic development. Burn on charcoal as an incense. Sprinkle around the room or property. Add to a bath for spiritual cleansing. Carry in a mojo bag along with other herbs and talismans. Sprinkle on or around a spell candle. Add to a spiritual oil. Do not consume. Okay, you could spray with the absinthe uncrossing mist, wormwood, star anise, rue, fennel, and, oils, angelica root extract, witch hazel, and moon water. It can dispel low and stagnant energy. You can use it around your body or in the car. You could take a bath with a teaspoon of the spray and a few tablespoons of salt, but do not ingest. You can light the absinthe candle. And this candle has been crafted with intentions of banishment, protection, and to unblock situations. Oops, sorry, candle. This one's really pretty. It's a Kambaba Jasper gemstone. It promotes peace of mind and creates a calming effect on the physical body. The circular patterns on Kambaba civilize and help us realize that we are all interconnected and nature is a cyclical pattern. It can also help with circular breathing for healing or meditation. Being a type of jasper, Kambaba is a very protective stone, and any orbs or eyes enhance this in regard to protection from the evil eye. This jasper alleviates stress and induces tranquility. Its cleansing effect eliminates negative energy and stabilizes the aura. Makes an ideal worry or rubbing stone, and is a wonderful stone for banishing nightmares, harmful thoughts, and energies. It is said this gemstone aids the body in areas of central growth and renewal, boosting the immune system, cellular growth, and DNA. All crystals of green honor the goddess of spring, which represents the celebration of renewal of life of earth. Add to your spell box, use during meditation, or keep near you to benefit from its properties. So there's licorice mint tea, the quartz crystal pendant, quartz can be worn for protection to amplify energy. This crystal clears, cleanses, energizes, and aligns. It can be programmed for a healing purpose. It will even store healing thought forms and can be instructed to balance, stabilize, and boost the entire energy field. So this is the Fairy Oracle. That's the Fairy Oracle. And my number is 6. Interesting. And then there's an art print. Did I miss the part about the spell box? I had to have missed the spell box. What the heck? Oh, I did. Alchemy spell box. Spell boxes are a powerful little way to perform magic. Use them for spells, to charge or empower objects, and to store and protect works in progress, such as materials, crystals, herbs, poppets, etc. To cast a spell using the box, write your intent on a little piece of parchment paper, which you want to add or attract to your life, then fold, draw a sigil on the outside, and place in the bottom of the box. Add a gemstone, like quartz, or a sprinkling of herbs, and place the top back on the box. Your spell is contained and therefore will continue to work until you disassemble the box. So that's really cool. Trying to see. Alright, she just has like a little message about, you know, keeping strong, about with everything going on. Very beautiful, very nice box. I'm loving a lot of these items. And I habitually love like the little vials. And I always love candles. And I'm not super fond of the spray. I mean, it smells... Ooh, I love the way it looks though. I love the way... I really love the way it looks. It's really, really cool with the bubbles. It's definitely got a licoricey smell, and I think that's what it is I don't like about it. It smells like black licorice to me. Not that I don't like it, but it's not my favorite. I love this. This is beautiful. I was literally looking at this kind of pendant last night when I was internet shopping before bed. And I love this stone. Mine's got at least one circle, 2 circles, 2 eyes. See, an eye and an eye. Very cool. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I have to get back to gardening, and I'm also working on a video for how I recycle my candles. That should be up in the next few days, I hope. It is actually a huge amount of candles, and so it's taking me forever. And my son keeps turning off my my candle warmer, so there's that. Anyways, stay tuned. Thank you so much. I have over 1,000 subscribers, and I'm really, really happy and excited about that. I love you guys. Thank you for joining me. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.